Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager, and I got an application spotlight video to go over with you today on one of our bag unloading stations. It's this one right behind me. We just finished it up and we're getting ready to put it on a skid to get it to our customer. This bag unloading station is going to solve quite a few different problems for our customer. One of which is going to be ergonomics. Currently they're unloading 50-pound bags and having to walk them up a mezzanine. This actual unloading station will be positioned on that mezzanine. They're also going to be converting over with this to bulk bags. So as I mentioned, they're hoisting up these stairs 50-pound bags, which is causing a lot of significant problems with operators and speed because they're going through quite a bit more volume of material these days. So when they switch over to bulk bags, they are also going to come into a bit of a challenge as they're in this phase where they're increasing production. They're going to need bigger bags of material, but they also aren't necessarily going to be able to or need to use a full bag. So we came up with some solutions for them, pulled out of our standard line of options on our bag unloaders that really fit what their needs were. One of the components we've got on here is our quad massage option. This is going to be a flow assist option. Some of the materials we're dealing with are going to be powders that aren't necessarily free flowing out of a bag. The second option we've got is our bag retie valve. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, they've got bags that they're going to use maybe 25, 30, 50% of the material, and then they want to be able to retie the bag so that they can utilize it at the next time they run that batch of material. Below the bag unloading station, below our mezzanine, we actually have a weigh system. So once an operator sees that the weigh system has received all the material they need, an operator is going to close the bag retie valve, and that's going to allow them to be able to open up the untie chamber and retie the bag, and then be able to remove it from the unloader to be able to introduce the next component. So it's a very handy feature for customers that aren't necessarily need to use full bags of material all at one time. Bolts right in between our untie chamber and our rest pan or quad massage pan, and it's a modular option we can add to any of our bag unloaders. So hopefully this video brought you some value, educated you a little bit on some of the available options we offer here at Ensign Equipment. If it did, please share with your team and your cohorts in the industry. We'll catch you on the next one.